Hi guys, welcome back to Dee's Kitchen. So today I'm going to show you how I cook my smoked neck bones. So for this recipe, you're going to need smoked neck bones, which I have already washed and placed in my pot. And I only use 2 ingredients: crushed red peppers and a seasoning called accent. Let's get started. Okay, so as you can see, I have already washed my neck bones and placed them in a pot, and I did not cover them with water because it will overflow, because I'm gonna have to bring it to a boil. So just make sure you have enough water in it, but not full. Make sure it doesn't have to like cover all of the neck bones, because once they cook down, it's going to be more than enough water in the pot. So I'm just going to start off by turning my eye on high. So I want to bring them to a hard boil. So I turn my eye on high, and I'm going to cook these neck bones for maybe about an hour to an hour and a half the most. But once they start coming to a hard boil, I'm just going to turn the eye down. Maybe it's about 4 or 5. But I'll come back once they do get to a hard boil. But for now, the thing I'm going to do is just add a little accent. And I'm going to add some crushed red peppers. You know, whatever your desired amount is. And then that's it. Like, I don't add no salt because they're smoked neck bones and I don't want them salty. But if you want to, you know, you're more than welcome to. It's your choice. I don't add any pepper. Not yet anyways. But for as this, only thing I do, I just place the top on it and I allow it to come to a hard boil. Our smoked neck bones are at a hard boil. So now, the thing I'm gonna do is just, you know, the ones that's at the bottom, I'm just gonna put towards the top, and the ones that's on the top, I'm just gonna put them on the bottom. Basically, you're just stirring them up. And now I'm going to turn my eye on about 5. And I'm going to allow them to cook for about an hour. Our neck bones have been cooking on 5 for about an hour now. They are done falling out the bone. So that's it. That's how you cook smoked neck bones. hope you guys enjoyed this video of my smoked neck bones. Please comment, like, and subscribe below. And thanks for watching. Bye.